If you want to change your name in Warframe Mobile, all you have to do is launch the game on your mobile device. And then once you get to the home page, all you have to do is tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. And then from the options that appear, select Profile. Now within the profile settings, select Change Alias. And then type in the new name that you'd like to use. So once you type in the name, simply tap on the arrow on the keyboard and then tap on OK. And then it will show you invalid character. So you have to type in everything correctly. So let me just try that again. Then tap on OK. And then keep in mind that you need to have 200 platinum so that you can change your name in the game. So if you have enough platinum, all you have to do is tap on OK, and that will change your alias. But if you don't have, you can see mine has failed to change because I don't have enough platinum. Now once you've changed your name, you can restart the game, and then once you restart the game, it will now pick up the new name. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.